Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Shanti Bhavan Children's Project. They're looking for a social media coordinator. It pays up to $25 per hour. The Shanti Bhavan Children's Project is a one-of-a-kind nonprofit serving the most underprivileged children in India. We are looking for a social media coordinator who can bring attention to the vital work we do. The ideal candidate will work with the marketing team to produce exciting, effective monthly campaigns on all of Shanti Bhavan's social media channels, including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Job in brief: we are seeking a part-time contractor to work 20 minutes 40 hours per month. At the conclusion of a satisfactory 30-day trial contract, a 6-month contract will be offered with the opportunity for further extensions. Pay is $25 per hour, commensurate with one's previous experience. This is a remote position. Job description: the responsibilities of the social media coordinator position include collaborating with graphic designers and other team members to create monthly social media campaigns that adhere to Shanti Bhavan branding and messaging, managing, posting, and monitoring campaign content on all Shanti Bhavan social media channels, responding to messages and comments as required, and reporting any problems or negative social interactions, understanding KPIs and defining them specifically for social media channels, tracking the performance of each social media campaign, and preparing a monthly report that identifies successes, setbacks, takeaways, and recommended courses of action. Keeping up with technologies and innovations used in social media, using social media marketing tools such as Buffer, Google Analytics, and proprietary analytics tools for each social media channel, tracking customer engagement and SEO to optimize campaign content. Attend weekly marketing meetings with the Shanti Bhavan marketing team. Required skills: excellent writer and proofreader, mastery of Meta, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube, including their respective analytics tools, familiarity with Canva, Google Docs, and/or other compositional tools, familiarity with Buffer and Asana, or the ability to learn these quickly. Qualifications: bachelor's degree or 2-3 years of relevant work experience, experience in marketing and communications preferred, attention to detail, fluency in English, ability to work both collaboratively and on your own, a commitment to helping underprivileged children and families. Job type: contract. Pay from $25 per hour. Schedule: Monday to Friday. Self-determined schedule. Education: bachelor's preferred. Language: English required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.